What's going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to cover how to launch your ads for a clothing brand in 2024. So 3 keys to run successful Facebook ads for clothing brand owners specifically is having a good product. So you want to make sure you have a proof of concept so you know that people want to buy what you're selling. Number 2 is going to be having good content. So we need to have good, compelling content to get people to click on our ads and go onto our website. Number 3 is going to be having a good offer. So you want to have a good, irresistible offer so you can increase that conversion rate and turn more potential customers into buyers. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, comment, and then I'm gonna have a lot more videos like this coming, so stay tuned. Let's go ahead and hop over to the ads manager. All right, so here we are in the ads manager, and if you guys don't have your ad account set up, just comment below and I can create another tutorial on how to set that up. So first things first, I'm gonna use this dummy ad account and I'm gonna go ahead and click on create. We're gonna click on sales, continue. You wanna click on manual sales, continue. And then we're just gonna name the campaign. So usually I like to name it whatever the product is that I'm testing and then the date. So we'll do Trillis Tees 0527. So now you wanna make sure this user catalog is off because sometimes it just starts with it on. So just make sure that's turned off. And then we're gonna click on next. And now we're at our ad set level. So I'm gonna name this Bride USA, 18 and up, and that's male and female. I'm not doing any interest testing. I'm just gonna test United States, 18 and up, male, female. All right, so for conversion location, we're gonna do website. And then you wanna make sure your pixel is selected here. And then conversion event, you wanna make sure that this is purchase. All right, for daily budget, I'll keep this at $20. Start date, you want to set this at midnight. Let's do midnight. And then I usually just keep this all the same. Hit next. All right, now we're at our ad level. So I'm just going to name this ad 1. And you want to make sure this is a manual upload, single image or video. All right, so right now we're gonna add our first image. So I already have an image here. Go ahead and upload that. All right, so here's our first image. Hit next. And then I usually turn off these Advantage Plus creative enhancements. Hit done. All right, so now we're gonna add our primary text. And so I usually like to just keep this simple. So I put our loyalty before royalty tee is available now, put a fire emoji, and then premium and heavyweight fabric, limited stock, shop now. I usually do this 3-liner for all of my clients and it usually works very well. Basically, the first line is just telling them what it is. We have our loyalty before royalty tee available. And then the second line is usually just something about products. So maybe premium and heavyweight fabric. You could do 3 colors available. You could do mesh fabric, whatever the product is. You just want to put like something, some feature or benefit here. And then the last line, you want to create some scarcity and then just tell them what you want them to do. So limited stock, shop now. All right, and then for the headline, I'm just gonna put loyalty before royalty tee, available now, free shipping. All right, so I usually like to write the offer here. So we offer free shipping on all orders and then just whatever the product is. And then for the description, I don't usually put anything here, but you can, just add that scarcity and call to action there as well. And then for the call to action button, you want that to be shop now. And then you want to paste that website URL in here. All right, so I'm taking them to the collection page. And that's pretty much it for setting up this first ad. So now I'm going to actually duplicate this ad and then test out 2 more. So I'm going to click on this action menu, hit duplicate, and I'm going to duplicate this 2 more times. All right, for the second creative, I'm going to change this ad to, and then I want to test out a video this time. So what I'm going to do is keeping the same ad copy, so the same primary text, headline, description, but just changing out this image to be a video. So I'm going to hit remove all, add media, add video, and I'm just going to drag this video over. All right, we're going to hit next. next, next, and then turning these optimizations off. All right, and then hit done. All right, so now we have our video, and then sometimes when you duplicate these ads, Facebook will change this call to action. So just make sure these are all shop now. All right, so everything else is good. We're gonna go to this last copy here and just rename this ad 3. All right, and so I have one more image that I wanna test. So I'm just gonna remove this. Add media, add image. I'm gonna drag this image over, hit next. And then so here, I'm gonna make sure this is 1:1. This is 9:16. Just because this creative actually looks right when you crop it. And then just keep that one original, hit next. Turning these optimizations off once again. Hit done. All right, our call to action, shop now. Cool, so we have our 3 creatives. The reason why I tested 3 different creatives, because you don't want to just test one creative, all right? You want to give Facebook some options so you can see which one performs the best. But one thing I did do was keep all these variables the same. So the primary text, the headline, the description, and then just change out the actual image or video. All right, and so if you guys notice, I tested 3 different type of creatives. So for clothing brands, these are the 3 type of creatives that I actually seen work really well. And that was a flat lay with just, you know, iPhone camera, just take the picture of the product on the ground. So I've seen this do really well. You'll be surprised. Like sometimes this outdoes the video and the professional photo. For this one, I tested out a video, so it was just a reel that they posted on their Instagram page, and it did really well, so I decided to actually test this as a creative. And then the last one is just a professional photo with the models in the product. Try to change up the type of creatives and just test. All right, that's gonna be very key to running successful Facebook ads, is just testing out different type of creatives, different content, and just seeing which one works the best. All right, and so I would just go ahead and hit publish. So then Facebook will schedule this for midnight next day, and that's pretty much it. You create your first campaign, so now it's time to just monitor the results.